Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am with Dima and Nadim, and we are currently on a 10-hour layover in Doha Airport. So basically what I am about to do is I am going to show you guys what you can do in Doha Airport if you have 10 hours to spare. So the first thing we're about to do is I'm going to show you this famous sculpture which is called Untitled. Its fun name is Teddy and the Lamp, but its actual name is called Untitled. So this sculpture is made by a Swiss artist called Urs Fischer. And what's unique about it is that it looks like it's made from textile, but it's actually not made from textile. It's actually bronze. It's made out of bronze, and this piece cost around $6.5 million, but it's worth a lot more right now. What's cool is that this artist, he likes to reflect on nostalgia, and he likes the word memories. So the idea of doing this is basically he wants you guys to reflect on your childhood. Weird, but cute. So this is one of the first things any traveler is going to find at Doha Airport. And it's pretty cool. I like it. Okay, so our next stop is going to be the Qatar duty-free section. Let's go buy something.
We need to buy something. But I realized that this airport is extremely expensive.
In what sense?
A bar of Snickers, an individual bar of Snickers, is for $2.49.
How much did the water cost?
$5.
So as you can see, there's a lot of London-inspired places like Hamleys, Harrods. Who would have thought you'd see Harrods in Qatar? There's Hamleys. No one's buying anything though. Yeah, no, this one, the Enduro. How much does it cost in dollars?
This is $30.
Can I have it, please? Thanks, ma'am.
Do you need a bag or
No need. Thank you so much. Cheers, man. So I just bought a Enduro battery for $30. I think in Beirut it was a little bit more expensive. So our duty-free shopping is complete, and we are now going to head to the Orchid to check it out. Apparently it's a rainforest / garden that is inspired by Singapore Airport. So basically you have two options to get to the Orchid. It's either you take the escalators and you can take the tram upstairs, or you can just simply walk for 15 minutes from south to north. What I really like about this airport is that they've got travelators everywhere you go. The airport is massive. Do you guys know what's up there?
What's up there?
Yeah.
Salon Sharaf or something?
No, it's the train.
Oh, no way.
It's the train inside? Yeah.
The underground, you mean?
No, it's overground.
Overground, the one like in Dubai.
Yeah, it takes you to the Orchid. So we were in the south end, and now we're walking.
There.
Yeah,
You can see it. Cute, it's a tiny one.
Yeah.
It's like an electric one.
And that's the train. You can see it better from here. So we could have taken this train, but since we have all the time in the world, we decided to walk from the south end to the north end. I wanted to check how much one night at the Oryx Garden hotel would cost, and apparently it costs a whopping $280 just to spend the night in the hotel. So I think what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take some sleeping pods just to rest for like a couple of hours. think this is it.
Take the escalator?
Yeah. It says Orchid. So it's like a mall, man.
It is.
This is not an airport. It is. It's a mall.
Look at the architecture as well.
Bulgari.
Look at the architecture. Beautiful.
This is beautiful. There's a picture from
Hamad International Airport.
This is so cool. Here we are. Qatar Airport Garden.
the guy that just fixed his house right above your house.
That's so cool. I don't know if these sounds are real or not.
No, they're definitely not real, brother.
Yeah, but they've added the bird sounds to complement the vibe. You never know, man.
Look at that, you can sit in the garden with your kid and sleep.
That's so cute. That is so cute. Ah, there's tents. There are tents. So Qatar Airport is apparently rich with art.
Contemporary.
Check this out.
Wow. Oh wow, it's a Pinocchio.
Cows. This was made in 2013. It's a giant.
Thing at the airport so far. Fucking love this.
And here are some more sculptures. Is this also cows? No, it's not. No, it's not. Cute. Very cute. There's a slide as well.
But I'm not sure it's not gonna work.
So another thing that you can do in this airport is you can visit one of their plenty of lounges. But since I have a MasterCard and I have access to Al Maha Lounge, this is the lounge I'm going to be showing you guys. So it's right up there. Hello, hi, how are you? Yes, Al Maha Lounge, thank you. So this is what you get. I get, with my MasterCard, I get unlimited free access to all lounges all around the world, and I get a free guest with me. And every additional visit, for any additional guest, they're gonna have to pay $32. Hello, hi. Oh, I've got access, and 3 people, yes. So I have 1 free guest and an additional guest.
Do you have the physical boarding pass, please?
How long can we stay here?
So this gives you 4 hours of access,
4 hours.
but you can check in every 4 hours.
Oh, really? Okay. If we had to leave and come back, can we do that?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah?
So just give me your boarding pass, I'll put a stamp.
All right. Awesome.
Actually, all 3 boarding
All
passes.
3 of us, yes.
So there'll be 1 charge of $32.
Yes, please.
Giving back your boarding pass, Mr. Andrew?
Straight 4 hours.
Okay, so you don't have to come 4 hours.
Thank you so much. Cheers.
Thank you.
Where are we going? This? Yeah.
So guess what, guys? Dima is going to be taking over and showing you what this lounge has to offer.
All right. So here we have the waters, the coffee. Okay, so here we have the waters, the coffee, all the accessories of the coffee. I think this is some iced tea, some knickknacks here. And then we're gonna head to see the actual food that they have to offer here in the lounge. There's knickknacks. We have something over here. And some pasta. Yeah, looks good. And that's it. This is what we get in this lounge.
So now that we're done with spending 5 hours at the lounge, we are about to go check out the sleeping pods on the north side of this airport. So, are we actually gonna sleep?
I think I will.
Yeah? I'm starting to imagine it's going to be full.
The sleeping pods?
Yeah. we lost our chance.
Let's do a Kinder surprise.
Yeah. So earlier today we actually walked from the south side all the way to the north side, but I'd like to show you guys this indoor train. All right, here we go. Let's see. See, so we need to get to B. I see sleep lounge, but I want sleep and fly. Where do you see it? Oh, sleep and fly. There we go. There we go.
I think it's here, Jay.
This is it? You're kidding me.
Okay, let's see if they have any availability. Any chance you have 3 sleeping pods available?
You have priority pass
Yes,
or lounge?
priority pass.
Yeah, I do have. Would you like to use with shower or without shower?
Without shower.
Then you have 2 hours. But please be mindful about your boarding.
Yeah, don't worry.
We don't do wake up call.
You don't usually do it?
Wake up call.
Oh, yeah, no worries.
We do, but sometimes it gets busy.
Yeah, understand.
We don't have time to wake them.
We'll use alarms.
Yeah, but vibration modes are okay.
You put speaker.
So using my Dragon Pass, I get free access to sleep in those sleeping pods. I'm looking forward to that. Our flight is in exactly 3 hours, so we got a good hour and a half to catch some Z's.
Passengers
Yeah.
for Qatar Airways Flight 1002 to Dubai are kindly requested to proceed to the gate for immediate boarding, number C90.